I am pleased to present SCR 22, which urges the governor to establish a formal inter-jurisdictional cooperative relationship between the state of California and the Republic of Latvia. As you may be aware, in 2022, the United States and California commemorated the 100th anniversary of diplomatic relations with Latvia. SCR 2022 endeavors to strengthen and expand this important international relationship. Some very brief history on Latvia. In 1918, in the aftermath of World War I, Latvia declared its independence as a sovereign nation when it broke away from the German Empire, only to later be forcibly incorporated into the Soviet Union in the aftermath of the Second World War. Latvia's peaceful singing revolution, which began in 1987, ended with the fall of the Soviet Union and the restoration of Latvia's independence in August of 1991. Since then, Latvia has been a democratic, unitary parliamentary republic. In 2004, Latvia became a member of the European Union, with its strategic location on the Baltic, located in Eastern Europe, just west of Russia, and to the north of Belarus and Lithuania, and coupled with its well-developed port, rail, and other transport infrastructure, Latvia serves as a natural economic gateway between the United States, the EU, and Asia. U.S.-Latvian economic relations are dynamic, and our countries have signed treaties on investment, trade, intellectual property protection, and avoidance of double taxation. As of 2020, U.S. bilateral trade with Latvia totaled more than $826 billion per year, and the United States and Latvia are coordinating on energy security and clean energy deployment through the Partnership for Transatlantic Energy Cooperation. One of the keys to California's tremendous economic success and growth has been its international partnerships built upon people-to-people connections and common goals. California is home to a large Latvian community in both the Los Angeles and San Francisco areas, and California and Latvian partnerships currently generate nearly $80 million in annual trade, with ample room for additional growth. Some of the industries these partnerships support include the technology sector, the development of virtual reality and gaming, and the film industry, including location filming, production, and post-production. Of equal significance, some of California's largest and most prominent companies have established operations in Latvia, including Cisco, Google, Meta, and Medtronic. Both the state of California and the Republic of Latvia have benefited immensely from the resulting increases in trade, investment, and tourism, as well as cultural, educational, and scientific exchanges. SCR 2022 envisions the fostering of ever greater levels of coordination and cooperation between California and Latvia, opening additional doors and creating new opportunities for thousands of small to medium-sized California companies to do business in Latvia and the EU. Please join me in helping celebrate this relationship built on mutual commitments to freedom, democracy, security, prosperity, and the rule of law. I respectfully ask for your vote this afternoon.
Thank you, Senator Newman. Any discussion on this resolution? Any discussion? Seeing none, if there's no objection, we'll substitute our unanimous roll call. Seeing no objection, that's 37